Kwikset SmartKey or Weiser SmartKey. They're branded, same branding. Actually, we're seeing some of them Baldwin and all sorts of stuff. So this is the SmartKey lever lock. So it's a entrance set, so it has a key on one side, a little thumb turn on the other side. So we're going to go through the installation and rekeying it and a few little different things on it. And we'll have some bypass methods in other videos later. So again, it's the SmartKey lever lock, and we're going to go through the installation and rekeying it. Also, what's important is to hand it for different outswinging doors. So we'll go through that, which is actually a little bit confusing the first time you run across it. But once you see it, you'll really understand it. It'll make sense. So what do we got in the box? Entrance set, key on the outside, thumb turn on the inside, so it's either locked or unlocked. We'll go through all that. So we have the classic latch, and it has the dead latch. So if it's installed correctly, in theory, you can't slip it with a credit card, but most most doors have so much play it's going to slip. So this is the drive-in. You can just change the faceplate to a drive-in. So it has the change key for the SmartKey lock. This is for a Kwikset Weiser latch. How to change the backset. So it's set for, this one's set at 2 3/8. No, this one's set at 2 3/4. Look at it, 2 3/4. All you have to do to change it is just push down, and that just slides over. Make sure it's engaged, and now we are at 2 3/8. So edge of the door to the center of the hole is either 2 3/8, or we adjust it, it's 2 3/4. So from the edge of the door to the center of the hole, the two most popular is 2 3/8 and 2 3/4, and in the old stuff you'll get some 5-inch backsets. So what I find to get you see the little half moon there? I just push this in a little bit. It makes it a little bit easier for you. There we go. Put the interior handle. Sometimes I just find I gotta just adjust that a little bit, let it go in. So that's just the thumb turn to lock it and unlock it. Pretty basic nowadays. It's vertical, which is good to know on some of these. If you get a total lock failure, or your mounting screws, are they horizontal or vertical? So, really good. So if I want to lock it, I turn that. It's locked on the outside. To unlock it, I just turn it, and it's unlocked. So again, we're going to go locked. To open it, interesting compared to commercial lever locks, the lock would be in horizontal. SmartKey doesn't require a Bible. It doesn't have the pins in it, so to unlock this one, unlocked, and you can lock it with the key if you wanted. So pretty simple. Now you know it's a SmartKey lock because right at the keyway, see that right there, that's the little slot to rekey it. Now just on another side note, putting it under the door tool is not going to work on this because when it's locked, this is fixed. Some of them, the lever handle is loose. So you can put it under the door tool, open up the door. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to rekey it. So basically, put it to the horizontal position. Take your reset tool. Hear the click. I didn't hear the click. Let's see if it did take it. I didn't hear a click, but it. And I'll take a key cut that I cut on the code machine. Remember, Kwikset is 1 to 6 is your depths. I put the key in, and we've just reset it. That's the advantage of these locks. And the old key doesn't fit. So we'll go back it one more time. Put the key in, turn to the horizontal position. Let's see, we hear the click this time. That went in further, but didn't hear a click. Sometimes you hear a click. Pull it out. Don't twist it. Just pull it out. Put the key in, and we rekeyed the lock. So the subcontractors, some people, they put it in upside down. Or they didn't put it in upside down. It's just not handed to the door. So if it's upside down like this, and you want to hand it correctly, the instructions are pretty bad. So you take your, in theory, this is in the kit. It wasn't in my kit today. This is a 3/32 Allen key. And the first time you use it, when you put it in, you put it in from the side. Get it snug in there and left to loosen. The problem is it is really, really tight the first time. So you got to give it a crack. And let's see if we got this now. Here we go. So we loosen it off. And remember, sometimes it sticks, so you just push in the latch. Now, we want to hand it, so we want to go the opposite way. So I know which way I want to put it. I put a little mark in here, so we know this will be the new up. I just put a little scratch there, so I know that's up. And it's got a little clip on it here that holds the cylinder in, so we just put a little bit of pressure there. There's where we got this. Here we go. Just take my little flathead. So remove it. Take this out. Turn it around. This goes back in. When that's in all the way, it's, as we're turning it, see this little piece coming out here? That's what holds the handle on. So left to loosen. So we get that in there. Let's put the handle on. Make sure it's flush. Put 3/32. Tighten it up. Snug. And now we can reinstall it. Again, it's like a half moon in there. To get it in there, I just kind of push the latch in a little bit, makes it easier. And we're lucky this went right on. Sometimes you got to adjust this a little bit. Tighten it back up. Again, we're in the business of snug, not over tight. So now we have handed it to the door. Quick, easy, fast, and it looks good when you have your installation where everything's correct. I hate it when I go into some places and it's upside down, it's back, it's either they're upside down or right side up. It's 50-50. Out of the box, it's 50-50. It's going to be perfect. If it's not complicated. All you have to do is get a 3/32 Allen key, undo it, left to loosen, pull it off, rekey it. So it's really, really easy. Or it's not to rekey it, to hand it to the door. SmartKey, lever lock, installation's pretty basic. Rekeying it is basic. Handing the lock is not difficult, but the instructions are very poor on how to hand the lock to the door. So at least get them so they're all up in the proper position. I have further videos. They will probably be on the members only on how to bypass the lock and how to drill it and attempts to pick it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please stand by for more videos. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.